alaikum, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, bonjour, and tabarakum Allah bil khair. Welcome to another vlog. Today is a day off, and hopefully I will chill out and enjoy myself. Lovely day outside, look. Yeah, so first thing is first, we need to have breakfast, and then the second thing is second. Right, guys, the plan today is I'm using my SLR camera today for vlogging. This one, it's Nikon. Yeah, so I just want to have an experience of it, that what will be its result. Whole day I'm gonna keep using the SLR camera for my vlogging, and this is first time for me to use it, so we'll see what will be the result of it, because I want to use it more from now on. For pictures, this is very best camera I would recommend. That's best camera for the still pictures. But for movies and vlogging, I will just try it and let you know. Right, I'm gonna have my breakfast here, because if I sit on my dining table, Shiro is after me. He's like a predator. He's like my enemy. In other words, you can say he loves me very much. Whenever I'm at home, he is front and back. You know, he's just after me. I'm gonna sit here and have my breakfast. And the plan for today will be, there's a big picture in Cam's room. So plan for today is to move that picture up in the loft. Right, guys, I wanted to show you this calendar. There's a funny joke behind it, because this was with one of my colleagues at work. At the start of 2015, he put it behind his workstation. So from the start of 2015, I kept requesting him, I want this calendar by end of the year. And he kept joking, no, I'm not gonna give it to you, I'm not gonna give it to you. By end of 2015, after 1 week, I asked him, where's the calendar gone? And he goes, well, I chucked it out. I said, what? Even after asking him, he didn't give it to me. You know, I was a little bit disappointed. But then he came and he surprised me. He said, here you go, this is your calendar. So I was like too much excited about it. And I would like to thank you, Clive, on giving me this calendar, and love you. And yeah, what is special about this calendar is, I don't know, sometimes I feel like myself, I am a lion, you know. I have a resemblance of the lion. I do see it in myself. I don't know. You tell me, guys, if you agree with it. Sometimes I do act like lions, you know. I do like I'm very much a good friend. I mean, I'm a loyal friend, and I don't know. I mean, I have a feeling like I have a resemblance with lions. Right. The other thing is, the pictures are very beautiful. Look, this is the first one, and then okay, this is January, and this is for the tiger, and again leopard, again tigers, cheetahs. Oh, look, jaguar. Beautiful, right? So that's why, because every month I kept looking at all these pictures. I said, I need them. I want this calendar. So yeah, finally he has given it to me. Yeah, thank you very much, Clive, for this. We'll go upstairs and sort out this picture. Right, guys, this is the scenery. Right, that's the black scenery which I need to take upstairs. It's quite big. I don't know how am I gonna take it. The first goal is to take it off from this wall. This is done. Right. Now I can show you the picture. Right, this is the picture, guys. Needs to go upstairs. Yes! Right, guys, the plan is to open the whole frame because this wood is too big and we can't take it. The entrance upstairs is smaller, so I have to open the whole frame and assemble it again. So let's do that now. This is it. Mission accomplished. The half of the other job, when I come back, then we will fix it. Let's go. Guys, for somehow I have managed to bring this board up because what we did is, get back. What we did is, when we brought it up, we just folded it like this from one of the corners. Otherwise I had a plan to cut it from the middle, bring up two pieces and then assemble them together. But it's good. This is done. That's it. I need to start fixing the frame on it. Right, because as I have mentioned in the morning, I am doing a practical on my Nikon D3200 SLR camera. So oh yeah, leave it for a minute. Yeah. So so because I am doing a practical on Nikon, you might see the screen sizes, they might come up different and the colors might come up different. So yeah, so this is what is happening here now. Right, got an idea. Let me go and grab my clamps. I can't hold it myself. 2 minutes and I'll be back. Right, got my clamps. Hopefully the things should be faster now to get it fixed. What is it? Right, I'm filming on the sports mode now. I'll put the picture here, but because this is on the floor and we still got some space here to bring it up to this high. Yeah, it will be only this high. What I am gonna do is get some bricks from outside and right now the next step is to bring in some bricks, put them underneath and to uplift it. So 2 minutes and I'll be back. Right, this is all done. I put one bricks in it and I put one piece of wood to bring it up to this level, to this corner, and yeah, that's how I can put it. So this part is done and yeah, I need to start with the lighting part now. Right guys, I have completed my project and it looks so beautiful. I don't want to say it myself, but I want you guys to leave comments underneath. Let me know, how do you think about my project? I was working on it since morning. I'll just show you in a minute. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. I'll just show you in a minute.
Hump day, yeah!
Focus please, focus please. Let's see what's Cam's opinion.
Yeah.
Ta-da-da!
Yeah, it's good.
Just wait, look at the light, it's green now. It will change. Blue.
Yeah, it's good.
Look at the triangle. The lines it comes from up and down. What do you think?
It's good.
Excellent. Not only good. What's that? Only good. Right. Right, guys. I want you to leave for me messages underneath. How do you like about my project? Do you like it? I mean, with my capacity of expenses, with my budget, this is what I could do, and I think it's brilliant, you know. But please, focus, please. Focus. Right, guys, this is what I have been working since morning. I hope you like it. This was my project. I have been thinking about it from long time, and thanks God I have finished it. I've spent hardly £15 on it. I mean, I was looking at my budget, at my pocket, how much I could spend. So in my budget, in my expenses, this is what I could do. Hope you like it, and please do click on like if you like it, and leave your messages, and I hope to see you soon again. You take care of yourself. Ciao.